just want to describe one word for our relation, that is destiny. And the thing is, like we have got this rishta quite a few times, and I don't know, like nothing at that time clicked. So finally in the March, his nani and my mom, they accidentally met, and they were like, "Ki, what happened? You two are friends. Actually, you two are friends. So why you guys are stuck up?" So then my mom was like, "Ki, nothing has happened. It's just that it didn't click at that time." So I think his nani called up Harsh mom and like, "Ki, why don't you just go and meet them?" So they're like, "Ki, okay, fine, then we'll just call them up and we'll meet them on Sunday." So they came on Sunday.
There was definitely a strong feeling where I thought, okay, she is the one. And I think my story with Saloni just reaffirms my faith in destiny. Like, my parents knew her family for more than 10 years. She and her parents know my parents for a very long time. Just that I had never met her or her family, though everyone knew each other. And the moment we met, like 8 months from today, it just worked out perfect.
So for us, distance was main problem. So Harsh used to tell me like, "Why don't you come at my place to stay?" So I used to go at his place for staying for one day. Weekends I used to go at his place. So when I was with his parents, it was like very different. Like they used to take care of me like I am their daughter, and they used to chit chat for me with me like for hours. Like we used to just sit at the dinner table and we used to chit chat for hours. We used to plan things. I'm very close to his mom and dad, both of them, and they take care of me like that I'm their daughter. And they're like कि अभी whenever I used to leave their house, and they used to tell me अभी घर सुना सुना हो जाएगा, कब आ रही हो अभी next. So we have very special bonding, and I don't feel like that they are not my parents. So, and one more thing is like my mom's nature and his mom nature is quite similar, and even his dad and my dad's nature is quite similar. So I don't feel like कि मेरे parents नहीं है, वो हर्ष के parents है. So that one thing is there. And secondly, when I used to go there to stay, my parents used to get annoyed. कि what is this? You're not spending time with me. You're not spending time with us. Especially my brother. He used to call me up. If he knows that I'm out with Harsh, he will call me up and he'll be very jealous and annoyed. Like if I say that I'm going to stay at his place, when are you going to come back? He'll talk like he's my father. And if I tell him कि I'm in Mulund, okay, fine. Okay, he'll be all cool down and he's all fine then. He's very jealous. But he's happy also.
पुराओ माटी रंगाओ आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे खबर सुनाऊं जो खुशी रे बताऊं जो आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे
very mixed feelings. I'm happy, sad, nervous, excited, everything together. But I'm definitely going to miss all of them. But as last night my brother said, "Aati rehna." I was like, "I'll come. Definitely, I'm going to come to to irritate you all."
तू मुझे छोड़ जाए ये नहीं हो सकता मेरी बातों में तेरा जिक्र सदा मेरी याद में तेरी फिक्र सदा मैं जो भी हूँ तुम ही तो हो मुझे तुमसे मिली अपनी अदा
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
तुम ही हो अर्ज भी मेरा मर्ज भी चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
खुद को जो यूं दे दिया है, तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। मैं जो मिट भी गया तो वजूद मेरा सदा तुझ में रहे जिंदा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही